Hey, beautiful people. If you want your wedding tables to stop guests in their tracks, you need more than just a vase of blooms. I'm about to share 10 jaw-dropping centerpiece ideas that will totally transform your big day. Whether you're a bride, groom, or helping a friend make magic, get ready to take notes. Let's kick it off with floral table runners. Ditch the vases and let peonies, eucalyptus, and roses flow down the table like a dreamy garden. Add gold candelabras or elegant candles for that effortless romantic vibe. Picture blush peonies and ivory roses layered with greenery and scattered votives. Honestly, it's pure evening glow perfection. Next up, hovering flowers. Tall arrangements are your best friend if you've got high ceilings or want some serious drama. The flowers float above eye level, guests can still chat, but the look? Show-stopping. Imagine gold or clear stands with clouds of hydrangeas, blush roses, and pampas grass. It's like a luxury garden in the sky. Don't overlook carnations. Trust me. Use them in big bunches for a plush, cloud-like effect that's both affordable and absolutely stunning. Think dome-shaped centerpieces packed with pale pink and ivory carnations. It's soft, romantic, and impossible not to photograph. Summer wedding? Go bold with color. Vivid zinnias, dahlias, yellow roses, and peach ranunculus bring pure sunshine to the table. Toss in greenery in clear vases, and you've got a centerpiece that pops against neutral linens. Total summer happiness in bloom. For my creatives, fruit centerpieces are a must-try. Grapes, pomegranates, figs, mix them with deep-hued dahlias or roses for a look that's part still life painting, part rustic royalty. Bonus guests will definitely talk about it. Ready for a true showstopper? Suspended buds. Think wooden or gold frames above your table with orchids or roses hanging down. Baby's breath and amaranthus dripping from a geometric frame lit by fairy lights. It's next-level wedding magic. If timeless elegance is your thing, go all white. White roses, lilies, and hydrangeas in tall vases or low bowls are clean, classic, and always chic. Try designing your guest tables with tall trumpet vases filled with elegant white orchids and calla lilies. Perfect for a black tie affair that feels upscale, refined, and truly unforgettable. For drama, you need amaranthus. This trailing flower adds velvet texture and rich color. Mix it with mauve roses and eucalyptus for moody, romantic vibes. Absolutely unforgettable for vintage or boho weddings. Want something unique? Exotic plants like proteas, air plants, or succulents make your centerpieces stand out. I love how king proteas with monstera leaves and orchids create a super modern, lush look. Your guests won't stop talking about it. And finally, terracotta pots. Swap out glass vases for earthy, rustic charm. Fill them with lavender, dusty miller, and blush roses for a cozy vineyard vibe. They're reusable and double as guests' take-home favors. So there you have it, 10 centerpiece ideas that go way beyond basic. Let your wedding flowers tell your love story. Bold, soft, fun, or forever classic. Hit like if you found inspiration, subscribe for more wedding magic, and tell me in the comments which centerpiece is your favorite, or share your own twist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the next beautiful celebration.